Lot 2563A, 1999, Polaris SLH 700. It runs. We're tearing this machine down into parts. The seat on this machine has already been sold. Anyways, call Mardo's Motorsports 218-844-4968 to purchase parts off this machine. It's a 700 twin, domestic. We're going to start it up, show you that it runs. Starts right up, just had it out on the water, everything checked out fine. It's a freshwater jet ski from Minnesota. All the parts on here will be no corrosion. So if you're from down south, need some parts for a Polaris watercraft like this, just give us a call. Give lot number 2563A. Again, this is a 99 SLH Polaris 700. Corner bumpers are in good shape. Hood's got a few scuffs on it. All the parts will be listed on eBay if you want to check us out on there. It's Mardo's Motorsports. Or you can go to mardosmotorsports.com, which is our website. Thanks for stopping by.